Hi friends, welcome in TezMindLab. Today we will know how we can adjust brightness in our Windows 10 monitor. For this we have four options. We will discuss one by one. First one is hardware. If you look carefully in the keyboard of your laptop, you can find on the function keys two small icon of sun. You just press the bigger one to increase the brightness and the smaller one to decrease the brightness. The second way to control the brightness is you go on the rightmost part of the taskbar here and click here to open the action center. In the quick settings, you can see one icon having a sun logo. You can click it to increase the brightness and again click on it to adjust from 0 to 100. The third method is just type display in the search bar and click here in open, and the system will open the display setting. You can control the brightness of your screen by just sliding this slider here. And the final method to control the brightness of your screen, type in the search bar mobility center and click on open. Here you can find again the slider to adjust the brightness of the screen. In this mobility center, you can adjust it the brightness of the screen from 0 to 100.
Friends, you can see the featured videos of our channel here, and you can subscribe our channel by pressing on the logo here. Be connected, share the video if you like. Thank you. See you again.